We want to get back now to a big story that we've been following here on the stream, and honestly, it's dominated the headlines everywhere you look. We're talking about the Sean Diddy Combs trial. So we have a conviction, we have a verdict. So convicted of 2 counts, or I guess 2 of the charges. So count 1, not guilty on racketeering conspiracy. Count 2, sex trafficking. Not guilty. Those are the 2 big major crimes where he could have faced life in prison.
Right.
Count 3, transportation to engage in prostitution. He was found guilty. Count 4, sex trafficking. Another count of sex trafficking, not guilty. And count 5, transportation to engage in prostitution. He was found guilty. Again, we got a lot of reaction and a lot of things happening outside that courthouse after that verdict came down. We actually heard from Cassie Ventura, Diddy's ex-girlfriend, who is testified in this case and a big part of this case as well. Her surveillance video of a domestic violence incident involving her and Diddy leaked last year, which sort of was a snowball effect with this case and everything has come out. We actually heard from her attorney moments after that verdict was read. Let's take a listen in. I believe this is Doug Wigdor, the lawyer for Cassie. Let's take a listen in.
Responsible for something, which is something that hasn't happened in his lifetime, and we're hopeful that ultimately he receives a substantial sentence for what he's done, and we're pleased that Cassie's brought to light everything that has happened in this trial. I just spoke with her and with the U.S. Attorney's Office team, and she's in a good place. She's pleased that that the jury has found him liable, guilty of 2 federal crimes.
What was her reaction?
And I've issued a statement as well on our Twitter as well. Her reaction is what I just said. Her reaction was that she was pleased that he's been found guilty and held responsible of 2 federal crimes, something that he's never been held responsible in his entire life. And she's happy that in November of 2023 she came forward and shined a light on this and brought other people forward who have various civil claims, and so we'll see what happens with the sentencing. All right,
Counselor,
thank you very much.
That looking in this direction, you said that same thing. Sorry.
Oh, I can't repeat it again, but
yeah, please.
Sorry. So, what was the question?
Your reaction to what happened.
The reaction is that we're pleased that he's finally been held responsible for 2 federal crimes, something that he's never faced in his life. He still faces substantial jail time. Of course, we would have liked to have seen a conviction on the sex crimes in RICO, but we understand beyond a reasonable doubt is a high standard, and we're just pleased that he still faces substantial jail time. All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Doug Wigdor, Wigdor. Well, each is faces up to 10 years on each. I'm not sure what the sentencing guidelines are given the various government and the defense to argue, but I feel confident in saying he still faces substantial incarceration.
How will you feel if he walks out on bail?
Well, that's up to the judge. I don't have a personal vested interest in this case. Whatever the appropriate thing to do under the law is what should be done. And at the end of the day, he needs to be sentenced pursuant to the guidelines and pursuant to what the law is. My understanding of that is that he faces significant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.